Welcome to the Marble Run video activity. We will be investigating potential energy in this activity. If you have not completed the pre-lab questions on your lab report, pause the video and do that now. When you're ready, start the video again. Part 1 of this activity is making your hypothesis. But before you can do that, we need to take a look at the materials that we'll be using and what exactly the activity is about. Obviously, we have a marble. We're going to use a ruler and some pool noodles, and I have a 300 centimeter tape measure. And I have a bunch of books that will stack to get to the heights that we need. The pool noodle has been cut horizontally to give us some nice long tracks, and I've kind of got them taped together so it makes it as straight as possible. I have the 300 centimeter tape measure stretched out there, and what you'll end up doing is at the different heights, you'll release the marble to see how far it travels. Pause the video and complete part 1 on your lab report. When you're ready, start the video again. And now let's collect some data for part 2. You can pause the video if you need to record the data on your lab report, or you can wait till the end and go back and look at it if you need to. So let's get started. The first height is 5 centimeters. And here we go. Next is 10 centimeters. The next height is 15 centimeters. Next up is 20 centimeters. And the last height is 25 centimeters. That was a close one. We almost didn't have enough pool noodle. If you need to pause the video to catch up on recording your data on your lab report, you can do that now. Otherwise, if you're ready, you can continue on to part 3 and complete your lab report. Good luck.